Most money-making apps don't replace income, but they can reliably add small daily or weekly earnings when you use them consistently and focus on high-value tasks instead of random tapping. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of apps people actually stick with in 2026, how each one generates extra money, and what decides whether they feel worth using or like a waste of time. Start with the biggest mistake people make. Most users jump between apps instead of focusing on a few systems that actually fit their habits. So consistency matters more than app count. First category is survey reward apps. These apps work because they turn opinions into small paid tasks, and they stay useful when you complete higher value surveys instead of skipping everything low quality. Second category is cashback shopping apps. These apps make sense when you already shop online because they return a portion of spending instead of requiring extra effort. Third category is gaming reward apps. These apps stay popular because they combine entertainment with milestone-based rewards that unlock as you progress through gameplay. Fourth category is micro-task apps. These apps pay for small digital jobs like categorizing content or simple online actions that can be completed quickly. Fifth category is offer-based reward apps. These platforms connect users to sponsored offers where earnings come from completing specific actions like signups or trials. Now here's what actually decides whether these apps feel worth using. Time-to-earn ratio matters most. If tasks take too long for the reward, users drop off quickly. Task availability also matters. Apps with frequent new tasks keep users active longer. And payout reliability is the final factor. Even good earnings don't matter if cashouts feel slow or complicated. So the real value comes from choosing a few apps and using them consistently instead of switching constantly. Summary: the most useful extra money apps in 2026 include surveys, cashback, gaming rewards, micro-tasks, and offer-based platforms. Real success depends on consistency, task availability, and payout reliability. Focus beats variety. Next step: pick one survey or cashback app and use it daily for a week to track whether your actual time to earn matches what the app promises. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.